Grace and Anna is marketed as an online fashion boutique offering stylish clothing, elegant designs, and massive discounts that can make the deals look impossible to ignore. But the real question is, are the discounts too good to be true? Now, to be fair, many legitimate clothing stores run sales throughout the year. Big discounts alone do not automatically mean a store is fake. What it does well: the clothing looks stylish. Professional product photos create a premium boutique appearance. The website looks polished. A modern e-commerce design makes browsing simple and appealing, where the concerns start appearing. Permanent huge discounts can be a warning sign. This is the biggest issue. Stores advertising 50 to 80% off year-round may be using artificial urgency. Professional branding doesn't guarantee quality. A polished website isn't proof of reliable products or service. Product photos may not reflect reality. The items you receive may differ from the marketing images. So, are the discounts too good to be true? Short answer, possibly. The discounts may be real, but they shouldn't be the only reason you trust a store or make a purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.